Good morning, YouTube. My name's Steve, and welcome to my channel. This morning, I just want to go over a couple trades that I seen last night, and maybe if we see a trade this morning, I'll look at it and maybe take it or explain why I will or will not take that trade. If you watch my previous video that I have loaded up, I explain how I trade off the 9 EMA and the 50 EMA, and the blue line is the 9 and the 50 is the yellow. And when we opened up last night at Globex, we opened up with a gap. And when we open up with a gap like that, I always let the charts and the price action kind of fill its way out and kind of see what kind of direction it really wants to go, especially in London or Asia or Globex session. There is a lot of volume that can come into these sessions and a lot of momentum, and I am a momentum trader, so I like to wait. Like I said, we opened up with a gap, and we're under the 9 and the 50 EMA, so that's telling me that we're going to head down, go lower. So as you can see on this next 5-minute candle, it pushed down. And I still wasn't convinced that we're going to keep going lower just because of the fact it was just early in the session. So I waited. And after the 15-minute ORB finally got established, I could tell that we were going to go back into the range of the 15-minute ORB. And so I didn't want to take any trades at that time. And we were making lower highs right here. So at that point, if you look right here in this area where my cursor's at, you can see where the 5-minute candle and the price, it tested that 9 EMA, which is pretty much the kind, coincides with the resistance area of that 5-minute EMA or that 5-minute candle that opened up. So I didn't want to take that trade. So I just waited, and next thing you know, we started dropping off. I did take a trade right here on my eval account with the Take Profit Trader. And when I take these kind of trades here, I normally try to do a 10-point to 20-point stop, and I trail my stop. I trail my take profit when I do. I really don't have a set TP just because of how NQ likes to whip up and down, and 30, 40 points, 50 points, sometimes 100 points on a 1-minute candle. So you can either make a lot of money or you can blow your accounts if you don't have a stop loss in and you're not trailing it, or you can just break even it on that aspect. So anyways, as you can see, it went down, and then at 7 o'clock, we pushed back up. That's Asia open. I wasn't in any trades at this area, and I didn't take this trade up here. This is for visual purposes only and educational. But if you get a 5-minute candle like this that just pushes up and pretty much takes over the last 20, 30 minutes or an hour of all the price action that we just had, you know there's momentum in that candle. Somebody wants the price to go higher. So I did wait. I seen that it passed the 9 EMA and it stalled a little bit at the 50 EMA, but it started doing its stair step up. And you got your stair step right there, your stair and your step up, your stair and your step up. So I waited, and if I was going to take a trade right in this area, this is where I would have entered right here. And I would have put my stop loss back under this previous 5-minute candle, providing this 5-minute candle wasn't 100 points, because it's not going to happen that way. Watch it and manage it. What time is it right now? It is 3:44 a.m. in the morning, and price is trying to go up right here. So at this point, I always look at the wherever the price is going to be at, and right now it's at 733s, 738s. For me to take a trade, the price would have to get up here around the 760s for me to go long. Only because we're in an area that I don't like to trade. It's like not diddle in the middle area in a sense, because there's really no momentum pushing. It's London. Everybody's still asleep. New York's not open. Now, you could go in here with 1 micro or 2 micros and put your stop loss down here and let it ride on up, because what you're looking at right now, let me see if I can get a drawing tool here. Let's see my drawing tools. Price is going up, down, up, down, up, down, and this should come back down, and then it'll start going up like that. And that's what you're going to be able to see. Probably when New York opens, we're going to be headed up. unless there's any, stupid stuff that we don't need, and this ain't deleting. And you can see the price. It is kind of going back down. So right now, there's no trade for me here. I wouldn't do anything. A, it's too early, and my coffee's not, haven't had enough coffee to start trading. I just decided to make a quick video for y'all guys. And if you're able to get anything off this video, that's a win-win. And if you have any comments or you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment and I'll reply to them, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Hopefully you guys have a good day.